What's up, guys? Another episode of the DMG Tech Show, and we're going to be doing a little more about Android from here on out. I've kind of been slacking on that, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually just talk about the screenshot. A lot of people always try to figure out, how do all these people post these photos of their screens on a certain device, make it look so clean? Well, most people go onto a computer, they might get it, and then they'll go into maybe Adobe Photoshop and cut it up that way. You can find some PNG files if you go into Google image search, but again, you might not have the rights, the copyright availability to actually use that image and distribute it, so you could get in trouble. So here's a way of getting around that. It's called ScreenMaker, and it is in the App Store. I believe it's kind of pricey. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it. I want to say it's $4.99, but it is definitely worth it if you do plan on taking multiple screenshots or you do enjoy doing stuff like that, especially if you are somebody of the creator who works with widgets maybe, or you create applications and you like to show off what they kind of look like on top of your inside of a normal screen that you like to show off and maybe share off through social media to give people an idea of how your app or your widget would look inside, of an Android device. So once you have that installed, if you do get that installed, you're going to come to a screen like this. Now you're not going to have these three devices listed. You're going to actually have to come into your, you're going to have to come in and actually get one. So to get one, you're going to, how do I get it? Oh yeah, sorry. So as you're going to see, you're going to come down here and you're just going to pick what size you're looking for. If you scroll up to the very top, you're going to see that here's the different screens that you can choose from. So you're definitely not limited, and that's not just for Android mobile phones. It can also be used for tablets as well. So I'm just going to go back to my downloaded one so we don't have to wait for it to download, as I don't know exactly how fast my internet connection is here. So once you have that picked, you're going to actually come up here. You're going to select a file. So there's me right there messing around. It's the first time I've ever worn glasses. I've never worn glasses, though I need to. We'll just do, how about this right here, this image, and we'll do it on the Samsung Note 3, and then we will go to, do I need to write? As you can see right here, these are the different options. So if I want to have a device shadow, device skewed, if I want to rotate it, screen glare, so I'll do a screen glare. I will do a device reflection. Don't do see, if you try to pick one or the other, it's going to swap you, so make sure if you just want a shadow, put a shadow, the device deflection, and we'll go to generate image. This could take a few seconds, so, but it won't take too long. You can also add a way to, you can add up to 2 images, and so that's how you're going to add maybe an image in the background. Sorry for I don't know why it got rotated that direction. But again, if I wanted to, maybe it's because the image size is that way. You can even put your image, as you see, it's laying down on the very bottom. You see that nice little glare feature to it. But this is just a really, really good way of utilizing the tools within the App Store that can help you get your images put onto a phone and make things look really, really snazzy. And that's all you need to do. Now again, if you guys have any questions or what kind of resolutions that are going to work, you can just go into the information. You can find it all right there. A lot of people do. If you do know who MK VHD is right there, you're going to see that he did approve that. So obviously anybody that knows the Android world, if he's approved it, chances are it's not a bad app. Again, thanks for watching. If you do have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.